Some antique Keeling & Co. in the very well decorated Tokyo design. 1405 is the decorator's pattern number from this. Dates from around 1900 to 1905. This is a little source Tureen set, 4 pieces. We have got some condition notes to show you on this. It has got an antique repair and unfortunately an antique chip here just on the underside, but it does rotate round and display absolutely beautifully from the other side with no damage at all. Let's just show you over this piece. First piece to draw your attention to is the lid recess here. 4 antique staples being applied during its lifetime. Little undersurface chip there also. It just goes to show how valuable these pieces were when they were made back in the 20th century. And they went to all the trouble of drilling these out and putting these staples through to repair these pieces. Double-sided staples on this lid, and it's very nice and stable, works very well. Part of its history, I like to think, although obviously it does detract from its value as far as collectors are concerned. Almost the value of the entire piece in some instances would be the ladle, and here a very rare to find in mint condition, the ladle from the Tokyo set by Keeling & Co. Beautifully decorated on the inner walls, plain outer wall, large area of cobalt and some gilt decoration on the top of the handle. And that brings us to the actual Tureen itself. Nice clean inner walls, has got some wear around the handles and rims where the gilt's been applied. Nice Tokyo kneeling potter marks for late Meyers, Keeling & Co. And there's the 1405 decorators marks. Lovely pattern on the base of this pedestal footed but recess footed. You can see the rib mouldings on the side of this, and this is the chip we brought your attention to earlier, just on the underside of that rim. Hardly noticeable because of the beautiful colour decoration on this twin-earned source Tureen. And that all sits on this very prettily decorated little platter, or saucer platter really, isn't it? Central well for everything to sit on, again with slightly outward printed Keeling & Co. late Meyers marks, 46 impressed, 1405 decorators marks. Some of these pieces have got K & Co. impressed on them as well. Not sure, they're not very easy to read here where the impress marks, overglazed quite heavily. Absolutely wonderful to see all 4 pieces together. Even with that antique repair, it still displays beautifully. And Keeling & Co. Tokyo, very similar to, it's really their version of the Ashworth's or Mason's designs. See if you can tell me what the Mason's equivalent of this is. But it's beautiful in its own right. Tokyo 1405, Keeling & Co. 1900 to 1905, 4-piece source Tureen. Link below will take you through to the website. We have had quite a few pieces of this design. It came through as a large dinner service with some flatware. I think a lot of it is now sold to collectors, but this piece was late out of the box and put to one side because of the damage, but we've finally got around to listing it, and I think it deserves still to have a life for display purposes. Could still be used, obviously. It's nothing wrong with its integrity, but do be aware of the conditions. Notes we've brought to your attention. Thanks for watching.